Hello everyone, I'm Kazi Mahmudul Hassan. Today I'm going to share my new Power BI project on analyzing the data of hospital's emergency room from January 2023 to December 2024. So in this project I have made the raw data into key insights of a hospital's emergency room by getting some effective informations like number of patients, average waiting time, satisfaction is score, and many more trends. So let's dive into it and let's explore how I have made this step by step. So first of all, I have the raw data. The raw data is in CSV format and it is in uncleaned. It is very uncleaned or dirty format. So there are some columns over there: the patient ID, patient admission date, or patient age, patient gender. So I need to transform this data. So I needed to transform this data. So I have used the Power Query to transform it. And firstly I have cleaned the data. Then I have built some calculated columns and calculated measures so that the columns help me make the visuals very well. So these are the columns. You can see there are multiple calculated columns and measures that helps me in this project. So there are some columns like admission hour, wait time interval, admission status, age group. All of these columns are transformed from the raw data. Then I have made this dashboard. So this dashboard has 4 pages. First page is for monthly view. So this page is based on the hospital's emergency rooms monthly view. So you can see uh, we can apply filters on which month we need to um, show the data, or we can see the overall data from here. So I have filtered out the April 2023 data. So we can see the number of patients are 132. Then average waiting time, satisfaction score, patient referred number, and many more informations like the patient admission status. So we can easily see that the admitted patients are 56 and non-admitted patients are 76. In this, the admission patients are mainly the patients who are referred to different wards by the emergency room. Then we can see a a donut chart on the number of patients by gender. We can see the male patients are more than the female patients. Then we can see another chart like the number of patient by patient race. We can see that the white patients are more compared to the others, and we can see that some of the patients declined to tell their identity. And we can also see the patient by age group. So in this chart, or in this bar chart, we can see that the age group from uh, 30 to 39 has the most patients in April 2023. So overall, this uh, visual or this dashboard gives us many informations about the hospital's emergency room in a monthly review. If we want to see the overall result of this hospital's emergency room, then we can go to the consolidated view. So in the consolidated view, uh, we can see the patients from January 2023 to December 2024. The number of patients are 3,613, and among them the most of the patients are mainly male patients, like 52.09%, and less are the female. And we can see the most number of patients by age group are the adults who are from 20 to 29 years of age. And we can see that the number of patients who is referred to the departments are mostly none. That means the patients have been satisfied or patient have been treated to the in the emergency room. They didn't have to go to the other departments. Then we can see that the most referred patients who are referred to different departments are mainly in general practice or orthopedics. Then we can see that overall the patients are mainly white patients are the most. Then we can see the patient satisfaction score by age group. We can see that the maximum ratings or maximum satisfaction score is given by the age group of 50 to 59, and the less or minimum satisfaction score is given by the age of 70 to 79. And from this chart we can see that the in Wednesday the hospital has the most patients. The number of patients are 549 in Wednesday, and the busiest hours we can see, the busiest hours can be the 11 p.m. or 12 a.m. or the uh, evening time, like 15 hours, mainly 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., like this. And the second most busiest day we can see is the Monday. So from this consolidated view we can get a overall uh, patient informations or hospital informations. So it can help a hospital in different ways to mm, improve their services. Then if we want to see patient details individually or by group, we can go to this page. This page has multiple filters. We can filter out anything we can want when anything we want. So if we want to see any patient, any male patient from January 2023 to January 2023 to the August 2023, we can see their informations and we can filter out the age of the patients. We can filter out their races. We can see only the Asian race patients. Then we can filter out their departmental referrals also, and we can also filter out which patients are admitted and which are not. So this page is very information. This page are very informative. Then we can go to the key takeaways where there is a summary of uh, the patients or there is a summary of the overall emergency room data set. So we can see the emergency room data sets are mainly spanning 24 months, and there are some unique patients, like the number of unique patients are 3,613, and we can see an overall summary of the project in this page. So this project the helps the hospital emergency room to um, make sure the patient get the best outcome or best services from them, or they can track their information, so they can track their overall services from this dashboard. So this dashboard can be very helpful for the hospitals, also for the patients, for getting the better result. Like the patient can see the average waiting time from this, so the patient have not to wait all the time. They can use this dashboard and they can understand how many time they have to wait, so they can go to the perfect time to in the hospital. So this dashboard is very helpful. So I have used many data analysis tools, like I have used mainly Excel, Power Query, or Power BI to make this dashboard, and this dashboard helps me to understand some key features or key elements of healthcare field, and I hope this will help me in the long future. Thank you.